This innovative profile dishwasher makes life easier when you connect. To unlock more features like custom cycles and Connect Plus, simply download the SmartHQ app. Custom cycles allows the dishwasher to do more, like offer a Cascade Platinum Plus cycle that provides the most optimal wash and dry experience up to 30 minutes faster. Connect Plus puts you in control, allowing you to build your own cycles and add options for all your wash needs. Now you can select these cycles anytime by pressing the Connect Plus button, which will save them until you make a change. By connecting your dishwasher, you'll always get optimal washing and drying performance.